Testimony set to resume in just a few hours in the case of Jodi Arias, charged with murder 1 in the stabbing and shooting death of Travis Alexander, her lover. Big question, will Travis be painted to be a wife beater? Will Jodi Arias take the stand and drag him through the mud? A series of experts on the defense witness list, some of them psychologists, giving us a clue as to what is going to happen in the courtroom. But many people say the star witness is going to be Jodi Arias herself. This, as we learn, Arias tried to plead guilty. That's right, tried to plead guilty to murder too, but she didn't like the time associated with any other sentence. The state said no. Unleash the lawyers, Hugo Rodriguez, Miami, Alex Sanchez, defense attorney out of New York. All right, Hugo Rodriguez, that's deadly. If the jury were to learn what we know, that she actually said she wants to plead guilty to murder too.
Mistrial. Let's hope it doesn't happen, because they're not entitled to know that. They're not entitled to know, and it would be a mistrial if it was known.
Yeah, we all know that, Hugo. That's why the jury doesn't know. They're never going to know. We know.
Well,
doesn't seem quite
don't
fair.
Say never.
But what about it? I'm going to go to you, Alex Sanchez. That would be deadly. If the jury knew that she tried to plead guilty to this murder, it would be all over, but they'll never know.
You know, let me tell you something, Nancy. The prosecution may regret not accepting a plea to second-degree murder. I personally don't think she should take a plea to second-degree murder, because I don't think she's going to be convicted of that offense. Because if she's able to establish that she was, in fact, the victim of some form of psychological abuse, she has a case for all, except maybe some minor charges of being convicted.
That's a complete crock.
Well, I don't think it's a crock. And if you look at his statements about him calling her a hoe and him calling her a slut and him calling her a three-holed wonder, that reveals something about who he is, and that needs to come to the jury's attention.
Oh, right. He deserves a death penalty. Right. He slings a few nasty names, so she gets to slash him from ear to ear. You know, I thought I was in America.
My boyfriend and I were going on vacation.